Hi friends, I am Ali back here again with a new video. In my previous video I have told you regarding the data structures in Python. I have told you about lists, tuples and sets. But in today's video I am going to discuss the last of our data structure, that is dictionaries in Python. It has the same concept what a dictionary in English has, but in the programming language I will tell you practically what dictionaries are. I will be dealing with some couple of videos regarding dictionaries. Since they have some style to use, we can use list of dictionaries, dictionaries in dictionaries, but in this video I am going to tell you the simple concept of dictionaries in Python. What are they and how can we use them? So now then, to the characteristics of dictionaries. Dictionaries is one of that data structure in which we can store our data in the pair form. I will show you how. But it is different from other data structures because in that each particular element has one of its index, but in this we have the data in or our element in a pair form which is called key value form. And at last it is a mutable. We can modify our dictionaries like list. So now I am going towards my PyCharm, which is our practical platform, without wasting any time. So here it is, our PyCharm. Here it is. I have already imported a math library since we are going to do some mathematical work, so it is better to have it. Now here you can see this is the form by which data can be stored in a dictionary, with using a curly bracket, then having a key, then semicolon and value. This is our first element of a dictionary. Then we can have more than one element by separated by a comma. Here I have example in which I have three elements. First element have key value, key 1, and its value is Karachi. Second is 2 and its value is Lahore, while third key is 3 and our value is Quetta. And similarly, dictionary 2 we have cherry, lemon, apple, but we have used the dictionary in order to show you just we can have multiple data types in a same dictionary as well. So it is a very important concept of dictionary. I have used same time the string, the numbers and the float as well. Now our first task is how to access an element in a dictionary. For example, I want to access the element of our dictionary 1. So how can I do that? Print, and then I'm going to give the name of our dictionary, that is dictionary 1, and then the square brackets I have to give the key of the dictionary we want to have the value of. I am giving here it 1, and then I'm going to run it. You will see what happens then. Here you can see we have got Karachi because we have given the key 1, so it has given us the value at key 1, that is Karachi. And then our second task is what we have to do when we want to print the keys of the same dictionaries. Now here is a method. We will use the loop here, that is for, and then a variable. You can use any of that. For x in dict1, that is our dictionary, and then there is a method called keys, writing dot keys, opening parenthesis, closing it and a colon, and now I am going to print x in front of you. You will see what happens then. Running this file, we have 1, 2, 3 that are the keys of our first dictionary. Now our third task, that is how to get the values of a dictionaries. I am going to take another for loop. Here I am using a variable y. You can choose any of it. Now like same we have done in keys, but now there is a difference. We have to use dot values with the dictionary name instead of using keys like we did in our previous task. Now I am going to print y. You will see then the result of it. Here you can see it has printed 1, 0.2 and 3, which are our values of keys in dictionary 2s. Now last but not least, I am going to tell you how to print both keys and values of a dictionary simultaneously. For that we have to use for x, y and in. Now I am going to take the name of dictionaries. Here you have to use dot items, note that please, and then I am going to print both of x and y. Here it is. I am going to run this code in front of you and you will see, yes, there is 1 with Karachi, 2 with Lahore and 3 with Quetta. It has printed both the keys as well as values of the dictionary. Now we will end this video by telling you how to delete the element of a dictionary. In dictionaries, you can also delete element by using the keyword that is del. We have also used earlier in our data structures. In the similar way we have to use it here. Now I am going to give it the name delete dict1 and then I am going to give it the element we want to delete. For example, I want to delete 2 of dict1 and then I am going to print my dictionary again to see the change in our result. So that I am going to print it. You will see that 2 at which Lahore was present, it has been deleted and now only 1 Karachi and 3 Quetta has remained in our dictionary. So this was the basic concept of dictionary which I wanted to give you people. Now this was all from today's video. Hope you have liked this video. If you liked it, then subscribe my channel, like my video, share it as well. In my next couple of videos, I will not be covering any further topic because before that I want to tell you some more characteristics of dictionary which we can use in different styles, like list of dictionaries, dictionaries in dictionaries and much more. That are some sophisticated but very powerful weapon in Python. So hope you will be stay tuned with my channel, that is Tech Park. Hit the bell icon now if you haven't. So this was all from today's video. We will meet you again in the next video. Thank you.